Okay guys, this will be another video about this ethanol fire burner or ethanol fire heater which I make several months ago. The link to this video will be in the description, but today in this video I will make a look into how safe is this ethanol fire burner, which you can make really easily at home. This ethanol heater is made really easy. For the housing I use some 500 milliliters paint can, which is filled with some ceramic wool. So this ceramic wool will not burn, and this ceramic wool is soaked with some ethanol. And that's it in basic. So, and now I will show you how safe is this kind of heater. So you see, but of course you can improve the safety a little bit further. For example, if you worry about if this ceramic wool will drop out, for this reason you can use some grit, which I have here, and you install inside of this can. Something like this, for example. Or you can also use this stainless steel mesh. But the problem with this size of stainless steel mesh is if you have no hole in the middle, then this heater or this fire burner will not burn. So for this reason, in the middle you need to have some hole. Without hole, this ethanol fire heater will not burn. Like so. If you put too much ethanol into the heater and the ceramic wool cannot soak all the ethanol, in this case it's possible that some of ethanol can spill out. And for this reason you need to be really careful that you don't put too much ethanol into this heater. Okay guys, this was the video about this heater. What will happen if you drop this kind of heater? So don't drop this heater on purpose, but I only let you know what will happen. So at this moment, in my case, nothing. Also guys, I need to remind you that you are responsible for your actions if you make this kind of heater. The safety need to be first, and if you don't have some experience, then in this case don't make this kind of heater. Very nice. So guys, we see us in the next video. Bye.